So I want to introduce you to something exciting. It's called the Instagram Canon, and it should be down there on the screen right now for you to see for the first time. And this is the key for you to grow your account, to attract over 10,000 real, genuine, and targeted followers, and to monetize those followers as well. So before we get started on the practical steps, think of this as laying that foundation of your knowledge. So when we're going through step by step, you know exactly what we're talking about and where it fits in the bigger picture. So I want to show you that over here on the far right is your profile. Now, this is what we're going to set up first, because your profile is like your home base. This is where people are going to come back to, and they're either going to decide to follow you or they're going to decide to buy a product from you. Now, we're going to make sure in module 2 that we're set up perfectly, our account's fully optimized for people when they find your profile, that they're either going to follow you or buy a product. Now, the second step on this is actually creating content that goes out into the Instagram world, because this is going to be what your followers are going to keep in touch with you with, and how you're going to keep them engaged. And as you keep them engaged and as you build that trust and affinity with them, you can also convert them to sales through your content. But where the magic of content is, and this is going to be module 3 for us, is you're actually increasing your reach. So not only do you reach your followers, but you're actually going to be reaching people who don't currently follow you if you put the right content out there. And we're going to show you exactly what that is, because once people find your content, that's when they can go back to your profile, and that's when they can buy your products or follow you, and you're growing your account and you're making money doing it. Now, what we have done is we've distilled a lot of Instagram marketing into 3 reach strategies. And these 3 reach strategies are going to be module 4, module 5, and module 6. And they're going to be reaching more into the depths of Instagram, where people have not ever heard of you, have not ever known you've existed. They're going to help your content get into the Discover tab, get into the Home tab of Instagram accounts that you want to be following you, but they don't actually know you exist. And this is going to be using influencer marketing. It's going to be use engagement rates on your content, and we're going to go through these step by step together. And it's also going to be using Instagram ads, and we're going to show you how you can get follows and people to buy your product for as low as 1 cent. And this is the key right here. This is how we've grown to over 50,000 real, genuine, and targeted followers in 8 weeks, and how you can do the same. So we're going to start module 2, optimize the profile. Module 3, we're going to get you the best content you could possibly post on your Instagram profile. We're going to show you how to identify what that is and either find it or create it. Then we're going to show you how to boost this content into the rest of Instagram, where everybody else is, where 2 billion users exist, and have people discover this content, go back to your profile, and then buy your product or follow you. And we can just do this over and over again, up to 10,000 times to get your 10,000 followers, or if you can get 10,000 sales at the same time, I wouldn't be complaining. So this is the bird's eye overview. We're going to go through step by step together to get you to 10,000 Instagram followers. Let's jump in.